Mind control is the key to success in our life. Discover how to master your mind just in 90 days. So you will explore various different concepts, techniques, strategy we usually call challenges. I'm going to give you small challenges for next 12 weeks. Every week one challenge, then you go and implement. You will see the magical process. What are these challenges? Challenge number 1. First week, you're going to explore how to create mini habits for success. Challenge number 2, you will understand how to manage your time effectively. One of the powerful strategy, time management metrics, you're going to learn so that you'll be able to save a lot of time while doing effective and productive work. Challenge number 3, how to overcome your bad memories, how to kill your bad memories so that your mind will relax effectively. Next challenge number 4, you need to understand what is the best way to improve your mood. This is the critical element to improve your productivity. Let us understand, let us work on how to improve your mood in any situation. Yes, you're going to work on challenge number 4. Challenge number 5, how to attract money using money psychology. It's 80% psychology, 20% execution. I'm going to share how you can attract using mind tuning method. Challenge number 6, how to kill procrastination. This is what the major limitation for many of us. We keep postponing the particular work. So always talking about now or never. How to be in that zone to take massive action. Yes, how to kill procrastination as part of challenge number 6 you're going to learn. The next one, how to get rid of your limiting belief. That means you are in comfort zone. You are a professional, if you are a business owner, if you are in comfort zone, you have some limitation, you have some limiting belief. How to get rid of that limiting belief so that you can achieve massive success in your life. The next one, how to be in the present moment. Mindfulness is another critical element for all of us to learn. If you are working in an organization, if you are working in a particular task, how to be 100% focused on that area. If you are eating, if you are walking, if you are listening, if you are spending time with your family or friends, how to be in the present moment. Yes, this is a serious and important concept we need to learn. The next challenge number 9, how to control your subconscious mind using self-hypnosis. Yes, right? Subconscious mind is a magical power. How to control your subconscious mind so that you can feed success pattern using self-hypnosis. You're going to explore as part of challenge number 9. Challenge number 10, let us explore self-control. How successful people think, how you can control your mind, body, soul. Yes, let us explore. Challenge number 11, you're going to learn how to do powerful meditation to relax your mind and body. Challenge number 12, you're going to explore NLP. It's a neuro-linguistic programming. Using this neuro-linguistic programming, you'll be able to tune a lot of things, change your habit, upgrade your brain, and be in the success zone. Lot of things you can do it. All these totally 12 challenges you're going to explore as part of 90 days challenge. By end of 90 days, you will feel, yes, I'm able to control my mind. I'm able to improve my mood. I'm able to take massive action. I'm able to develop habits. Finally, you feel that, yes, I can master my mind. So this is the power of Master Your Mind program. Now, this is your chance to explore how to master your mind in 90 days. Thank you so much.